How to substitute a player on FPL. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily substitute any player on Fantasy Premier League. First thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Premier League and make sure that you are logged into your account. And from your homepage, you want to head over to the Fantasy tab at the bottom of your screen. Once you are here, you can go ahead and tap on this Pick Team option on the top and you'll find your team right here. Now, in order to substitute any player, you can just choose a player that you want to get in. So let me just choose this player, and then you can just go ahead and tap on substitute. After you've done that, you can just choose any player that you want to substitute with. For example, if I want to substitute it with a defender, I can just tap on any one of these 4 defenders down the line, and it's gonna increase the number of midfielders in my team. You can do the same thing with the strikers as well. So if you just go ahead and substitute your striker with any of the midfielders, then you'll have a 3-4-3 formation, and it's going to change your formation as well. So tap on any one of the player, tap on substitute, select the player that you want to substitute with, and you should be good to go. So that's how you basically substitute players on Fantasy Premier League. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.